We're going to take a quick look at how to insert a table onto a Google Doc and onto a Google Slide. They're both very similar in how you do that, so we'll hit them both in one here. If I'm on my Google Doc right here and I come up to Insert, Table, I can choose how many cells I'd like. I'm going to start with just a 3x3. It kind of puts it right there. If I want it to move down farther on the page, if I click on the top here, I can move it down. I can backspace it back up. Within here, if I highlight my table and I come here to these options over here, I can play around with some of it. The pencil here will do my border color. So I can change the border color. If I highlight it and I come up here, I can change how thick I want the lines on the border. I can even change the type of border. Nice little dot that plays with your eyes a little bit. There. I should also be able to use my paint dump thing I call here, the background color, and I can put in color in there. Of course, I can also type into there as well. So that's a quick rundown on inserting a table in Google Docs. If I switch over here to Google Slides, it's going to go very similarly. Insert, table. I just picked the same one. I got a little bit more room to play here that I can move my table around on my slide a little bit easier. I can change the sizing, but almost everything else is the same. If I click into this and I have my tools over here this time. So here's where I can change the thickness of my border. I can change what the perimeter looks like. I can change the border color. And then I can pick one to dump a bunch of color into. So that is adding a border, or I'm sorry, a table into Google Slides and Google Docs.